Well, after a lot of literally blood, sweat, and almost tears, I'm done. Actually, I said I'm not actually done, but close enough. So what's that mean? Time to get back to wrenching. Time to get back to organizing and use my laser and doing the stuff that I've been wanting to do. The past month has been college, wrapping up my degree, and work because I have bills, and build a dang deck. Well, the deck basically is done. Tonight I'm going to take a few minutes and cut some bracing pieces, and I'll have one more piece to cut and then shoot some brad nails, and then it's done. So I want to work on the MR2 some. I've got parts that have been sitting around for a while. It's time to put them on. And maybe tonight I start with something basic like the strut bar. I'm excited. Work on the car again. So what I'm going to do tonight is pretty simple. It's just a strut tower bar. The rear strut brace that comes in these cars is the factory X brace. The TRD model that came out, well, it looks like that. It's got an extra brace that goes across from tower to tower. So in stock configuration, we go from tower to firewall, both sides. Here, it adds one more brace. This is from TCS Motorsports. I bought a lot of stuff from them. They've been really awesome to deal with. My intercooler came from them, and some other bits here and there. But these, I mean, MR2 Heaven has them, Prime, all the places they have them, they're all the same. And they're reasonably inexpensive. You know, Black Friday deals for about $150, $170, $75. Not too bad. And if you're buying from TCS, get yourself a t-shirt while you're at it. So pretty easy. Should be pretty easy to install. I've got to first get my manual boost controller off the stock one here. I had decided to I decided to mount it here so I could adjust it, and I've not touched it in years. You know, really, boost controller, you kind of sit and forget a lot of times, and well, here's where we are. But anyway, these things are pretty straightforward. Got to take off the inspection panels off each side, and then 4 bolts hold it all together. Yeah, should be pretty easy. All right, stock cross brace is off. Put that aside. Needed 14 millimeter. That's for your the cross braces, actual nuts and bolts for your strut tower nuts, and then the bolts that go into the firewall, all 14, 10 millimeter, and a Phillips head to get off the inspection panels. And that's it. That's time to put it on. Like, that's it. Super simple. It took 5 minutes total. Putting on, yeah, in a couple minutes, and we'll be done. Well, I guess I jinxed myself a bit here. I have taken the stock X brace off many times in the past. Super simple. In theory, this should be simple too. It's just not. So I'm trying to figure out, I guess I take that, I'm trying to figure out what the heck is holding it up, because I'm not getting alignment. I'm not sure if it's those little spacers that it's a factory piece that came on some MR2s. This little spacer there for the strut tower. I'm not sure if that's holding up. I'm worried that on that side it's going to hit the intercooler piping. So I'm going to take that one off and see. But man, even something simple sometimes don't work out. So there you go. It took a little bit of finagling, took a little bit of getting the mounting points in the right order, I guess. Ultimately doing the firewall side first and then the 4 per strut tower. It is based off of the old TRD unit, and those pieces are out there and they are very expensive. I'd love an authentic TRD unit, but it's just so much money. It's hard to justify. That said, if it's built similarly, then I have hope that it will actually improve handling and stiffness in the car. I do take the car to the track. Speaking of, I just picked up a new GoPro. I'm very excited. It's got GPS capabilities, and I think that'll be kind of cool to play with when doing a track day. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked about this. It wasn't too bad. It took about 12-13 minutes total. Not bad. All right. The last thing I'm going to say, too, if you're even still here, which is crazy to think that you would wait this long. I've been posting some about weight loss and working out and doing a lot of walking and jogging and trying to watch what I eat and just being more active. And so far I'm down 7 pounds, which is crazy. And then actually I didn't even believe it at first. Like I was like, there's no way that I've lost 7 pounds in 2 weeks, or just over 2 weeks now. But yet I'm maintaining, or kind of like fluctuating around that weight. So I'm right at 235, down 7 pounds from 242. Not 735. That would be wild. But yeah, I feel good though. I'm gonna keep going. And then maybe it makes me faster in this, or maybe I'm just a bad driver. No, either way, gotta take care.